Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets iPhone tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your phone from requiring a password when installing apps on your iPhone or iPad. So as you can see here, if I try to download TubeBuddy, it's going to bring up where I need to enter my password for my Apple ID in order to download it. Now, it's very easy to turn this off and prevent those requirements going forward, so you can just download an app whenever you want to. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the settings on our iPhone or iPad. Once the settings are open, scroll down into the second group of options and select Screen Time. Now in Screen Time, scroll down until you see Content and Privacy Restrictions. Go ahead and select that. And then as you can see, one of the first options is going to be iTunes and App Store purchases. Select that. And then at the bottom, you'll see Require Password, and we can simply turn it to Do Not Require. So if you select that, you can close the settings now. And when we go back to the App Store and try to download an app, it'll download without prompting for a password. All right, so that's how you stop your iPhone from requiring a password when downloading apps from the iTunes App Store. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more iPhone or iPad tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.